There are a number of key features within CS Audit that help you address the audit requirements demanded by the likes of SOX and the UK Governance Code, or UK SOX. We have seen how we can capture change with real-time notifications. But once we have built that comprehensive audit trail, how do we drill down and analyze the data? What we would like to show you today is another key feature of CS Audit, one that allows you to cut and dice everything that has been captured in your audit trail. So let's click on CS Audit Inquirer. First, we are going to select a time period, let's say the last 5 minutes. We then switch to the chronological tab. Of note, there are various other views. The hierarchical view, which shows me the data in a hierarchical manner. The research tab, which allows us to forensically analyze the audit trail and look for particular patterns like switchback transactions and various other things. And we can look at previous documentary approvals and see the documentation we've got stored. But back to the chronological tab, and let's look for changes to the supplier master. If we go to 2025 and then December, and then Tuesday the 9th between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock, we can see we've got 2 supplier changes. So the first one shows supplier 3M Health, something X has changed to 3M Health. We can also see that the alternate vendor name has been changed. And if we look at the second record, we can also see that the payments terms have been changed from 30 days net to 45 days net, and then that the pay date basis from discount to the due date has also been changed. And finally, that the invoice amount limit has been changed from 500 to 1,000. If required, we could run a report on these changes. Also, these could be flagged as pending, so we could do documentary approvals. And just to give you one further example, whilst giving you an idea of how quick it is to interrogate the audit trail, we are going to switch back to the filters page. If I choose a time period of, let's say, all, and then go to chronological, it will immediately give me a warning that we are interrogating a lot of data. But if I click yes, we then get a year for each of the years that's in the audit trail listed down the left-hand side. If I then expand 2024 and go to February and then go to Saturday the 10th between 2 a.m. and 3 a.m., and you might ask, who could possibly be doing something at 2 a.m. on a Saturday morning? But we can see that someone did indeed change a profile option at that time, a suspicious activity that needs investigating immediately. So this allows us to very quickly jump right into the audit trail exactly at the point that we want, as well as running reports and many other things. All of them designed to keep you in full control of your audit data. What you have seen is how you can use the Audit Inquirer capability within CS Audit to drill down into the comprehensive audit trails within your Oracle e-business system, and how it gives you full visibility of all changes, any context related to the change, and the fine details required for effective accountability. If you would like a full demonstration of CS Audit, or would just like more information, email us at info@kosys.com. Thank you for watching.